Sand is a big challenge for oil and gas producers. After it's sent downhole to frack wells, it returns to the surface during flowback and production, where it can severely damage your equipment. Along with piping and fittings, dump valves are the main pieces of equipment exposed to sand. Since they take the brunt of the impact from the sand, they are the main failure points for oil and gas producers. In this video, we'll show you 3 dump valves that help you limit the sand's impact so you can maximize your well production. The T-body high-pressure control valve is designed specifically for erosive production conditions in today's oil field. The key feature of the T-body is a hardened replaceable wear plug. This assembly is designed to absorb the force of the sand and other erosive materials that damage the control valve bodies. It can be inspected and replaced without removing the valve from your pipeline. The T-body provides long-lasting control of processes operating at over 500 psi and allows you to minimize valve body replacements. The valve body is not the only thing that takes a beating. Wear and tear on the valve's trim and packing can cost thousands of dollars in repairs and replacements, not to mention downtime. Carbide and zirconia trim are good options to consider if you're experiencing highly erosive conditions. For more about these options, see our video on trim options for erosive production. For valve packing in erosive conditions, we recommend V-packing. This is a chevron-shaped packing made of robust Teflon and Grafoil materials. It is designed to increase stability and sealing, even with increased load and higher temperatures. The low-pressure high-volume valve, or LPHV, provides long-lasting, robust control in erosive applications like flowback. The design of the LPHV creates a low-contact flow path for production fluid. This means that when the valve is open, more volume can flow through the valve with less contact, meaning less damage on the valve body and trim. The low-pressure high-volume valve is ideal for liquid dump applications operating in less than 500 psi on your separator or free water knockout. In erosive conditions, be sure to specify the optional erosive internals for the LPHV, which include a D2 steel removable seat and ratio plug. Kimray's piston balance throttling liquid dump valve pulls the seat, trim, and stem out of the flow path. This means that when the valve opens, the abrasive well fluid can dump while causing less damage to these internal parts. The PBT valve is a cost-effective, zero-emission option ideal for liquid dump applications operating at less than 500 psi. The PBT comes standard with a D2 steel removable seat and a 17:4 pH ratio plug in the reduced port trim. To speak with an expert about how to better manage sand in your production fluid, contact your local Kimray store or authorized distributor.